are you today? Why you look so sad? What? You sleepy? Okay. Because this is the first time you see me, right? What is your name? Amy. And what is your name, baby? Priyanka. Okay. And these are the three students who already met me. Who is my name? Miss Farha. Okay. So today, guys, actually we have first KBM, yeah. But actually, this is like the first activity of learning, yeah. Amy. MBG what? MBG makanan bergizi gratis. KBM. It's KBM, kegiatan belajar mengajar. In bahasa we call the activities of learning. Kayak kegiatan belajar mengajar. Okay. So today, because we gonna have like an introduction, and we also have like mini games, and after that we can do like doing the task. Okay. So the first thing that we have to do, we're going to do like the warmer one. Okay. Anyone knows what is the warmer? Warmer, seperti kayak in bahasa itu pemulaian like ice breaking. But actually we do like the mini games. You know hot potato games? Anyone knows hot potato games?
I am reading Harry Potter.
Oh, you do Harry Potter. Okay. Like hot potato games, like if you have a ball in your hand, you have to avoid it, yeah, into your friends. So you have to pass it quickly, yeah. You have to pass it quickly. So Miss Farha will play the music, yeah. Anyone who holds the ball when the music says stops will be kicked out, ya. In bahasa, jadi kalau misalkan pas kakak pasang musik, ya teman-teman ya, terus tiba-tiba nanti musiknya itu berhenti dan bilang stop. Nah, teman-teman yang masih megang bola ini berarti harus keluar dari permainannya, ya. Are you understand? Okay, Nisha, Aisyah, Abdu, ada Amy, and then you understand what I mean? Okay. No, actually, okay. Hot potato, Amy, like, coba catch the ball. Okay. And if the music is playing, so you have to change it to your friend, like that, yeah. And if the music says stop, so don't hold the ball, like that, ya. Kalau misalkan nanti kalian megang, itu berarti tandanya you will lose and you'll be cut out from the games. Okay? Do you understand from this? Okay, good job. Can we start?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit. Okay, so I will play the music and you have to be carefully. Okay, guys?
Fokus.
Focus, yeah, focus. We doing trial first, yeah. Okay. Bisa. Yeah. Trial dulu ya, trial first. Nanti Misha, because you are the one that holds it. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, everyone is understand what I mean? Okay, good job. Dek, kalau bisa gitu you have to move biar tidak kesusahan.
Nanti kok.
Nggak apa-apa, it's okay if you are too far. Alright, are you shy?
Mama istilahnya mau nggak? Biar enak.
Iya, okay.
Thank you ya.
Okay, thank you, Amy. Okay, everyone is understand? Okay, good job. Okay, so Miss Farha will play the music again. Okay, so when the music starts, you have to change the ball quickly. And the one who holds it in the end, she is the loser. And she will be kicked out. Okay? Understand? Understand? Okay. Any prefer in bahasa or English? Bahasa, okay. Actually, but Miss Farha will be switched into bahasa, ya. But actually, we have to use full English first. Okay. Oke. Jadi pertama nanti harus di moving ke teman sampingnya dengan cepat. Nah, yang terakhir yang memegang bola ini nanti akan yang kalah dan harus keluar dari gamenya. Iya, memang. Of course. Oke? Understand?
Boleh kan?
Pokoknya the last that holds the ball will be the loser and will be kicked out from the game. Okay? Nisha, fighting? Why are you so nervous? Okay, Miss Farha will start the music first. Okay? Just focus. Aisyah, are you fighting? Okay. Nisha move to this side. Jadi nanti Aisyah nggak main di sini. Jadi Aisyah di sini, Nisha di sini.
Untuk aku cepat tulis.
Iya. Change the position. Okay, good job, Amy. Okay. Okay, the students that left only Nisha, Abdu, Amy, and what's your name? Riyanka. Good job. Okay, so that's 4. Okay, are you ready, guys?
Ready.
Ready, okay. Miss Farha will play the music first. Okay, yeah. Go pasti. Siapa ini? Who's the last holding that? Who's the last that holding that? Misha or Abdul? Misha. Okay, it's okay ya Misha ya. Okay, so only 3 you guys. Ya, Priyanka, Amy, yeah, three of you and Abdu, and who gonna be the winner? Okay, Abdu. Nanti who will be the winner will get the point of the start champ. Okay, Abdu, okay, fighting. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Fokus, Abdu. It's okay, Abdu. Okay, so only you, only both of you. Okay? Ami, are you nervous?
Enggak.
Oh, okay, good job.
Mohon sama Tuhan semoga enggak.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smart. Who the last holding that? Okay. Yeah, the last one. Has to be fair ya, don't cheat. Yeah. Oh, berarti Priyanka will be the winner. Good job. Okay. Oh, berarti Priyanka. Priyanka is the winner. Okay, good job everyone. Okay, are you excited to play a game like this?
Iya.
Okay. Yes, Amy, are you excited? How about you, Abdul? Are you excited? Yes? Okay. Misha, are you excited about this game or are you nervous? Aisha, are you excited? Priyanka? Okay. Priyanka is the winner for this game. Okay. So, we're gonna doing like after the warmer, we have to like maybe for the first meeting, we have to use the like introduction. Yeah, introduction about the greetings. Okay, so Miss Farha will give you a question. What do you think about greetings? Apa sih yang dimaksud dengan greetings? Okay, greetings everyone. Okay. What is in your mind about greetings? Can you give me an example about greetings? Kira-kira ada gak sih yang tahu di sini greetings ya sapaan? Can you give me an example about greetings? Priyanka, maybe you want to say anything about greetings? Okay, Misha. Okay, I bet you know. Like, okay, I will give you some example like hi, hello. Okay. What is that? What is the other word from hi and hello? Kira-kira selain kata hi and hello apa?
Goodbye.
Goodbye, okay. It's for the ending. Okay. Anything else? Abdu? Selain hi, hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, okay.
I know me.
What is that?
What are you happy today?
What are you happy today? Okay. Okay. That's close. That's close. That's close. For the opening, like hi, hello, good morning. How are you? Is the greetings? How are you guys? Is the greeting? Yeah. How are you? Is greetings. Yeah. Anyone can see Miss Farha writing? So maaf ya, jadi kayak gini. How are you? Okay, how are you? And what else? Priyanka?
I'm happy.
I am happy. No. Actually, it is expression, not greetings. Abdu, do you want to say anything to Miss Farha? Yeah, apa? What is that? Good night. Okay, good night. Boleh. You may say about it. But when you want to sleep, good night. Like that. Yeah. Okay, good job everyone. So we can move to the next slide. Okay, let's watch the Oh, berarti dari connection-nya. Tiga editan. Sorry ya guys, I'm in trouble.
It's okay.
Okay, Emily, thank you so much. SMM student. Okay. Is there anyone fasting today? Fasting? Fasting? Puasa? No one ya? Oh, Aisyah fasting, Misha fasting. Oh, good job. Abdul fasting. Oh.
I am Christian.
Okay, it's okay. Misha is also Christiani. Priyanka? Okay, same with Annie. Okay. Let's watch the video regarding greetings, guys. Okay? So this is from the English Academy. So this video is about the greetings. Please have to pay attention to this laptop because the screen is not working. Yeah. So I hope you guys can focus to the laptop. Okay? I'm so sorry about this. Okay. pleasure to meet you. Okay, so there is the greetings. Okay, kalau if Miss Farha say Assalamualaikum, it can be used from the Muslim, yeah. Assalamualaikum, and like that. Hi or hello. You can also use hi and hello for the casual meeting, ya. Kayak misalkan, Hi Misha, hello Aisha, Hi Emmy, Hi Priyanka, Hi Abdu. That is for the casual meeting, thing like that, ya. And if you want to know like the news from the someone, how are you? How is it going? Like that, ya. If you want to ask someone about his news or her news, just begin. Yeah, hi, Kila. Why are you with Kila? Okay, sit down, please. Okay, Akila, how are you today? Good? Okay, like that ya. Okay, because Kila just arrived here, Kila, actually we are discussing about the greetings, ya, sapaan. Miss Farha also write about the greetings one in this whiteboard, like hi, hello, good morning, how are you, good night. Okay, like that. Okay, so I will repeat the video again, yeah, from the laptop because the screen is not working, guys. So I hope that you will focus on this laptop. Yeah, I'm so sorry about this. Yeah, Miss Farha will repeat that.
What's up, bro?
Oh, what's up? Okay, cool.
What's happening? It's nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Okay, one question. It's nice to meet you and it's a pleasure to meet you. Okay, how you guys can use this paraphrase? Biasanya, kalau misalkan it's a pleasure to meet you or it's nice to meet you, yeah, when do you use that? Okay, when you are happy to see someone or meeting someone new, like that. Ya misalkan, if Miss Farha first time meeting with Shakila, at the end Miss Farha will say, it's a pleasure to meet you, Shakila, like that. Ya, okay, okay. So the next activity. Okay. After watch the video, greetings, complete the activity 1 in your student workbook. Okay. Try to do the first activity. Nah, tadi kira-kira yang kalian udah dengar dari video yang Miss Farha putar apa aja? Okay. Anyone want to repeat that? Yuk, buka dulu Abdu. You pencil or pulpen? Biarkan wait ya, lagi di printin dulu. Oke, nah, jadi teman-teman bisa mengerjakan yang di sini dulu. Nah, coba buka di first page. Alicia, Shakila buka di first page. Wait ya. Okay, level introduction. Okay. Watch the video. Write any words you see, hear, or think about. Okay. Yeah. Anyone wants to repeat? Mau di-repeat? Mau di-repeat lagi? Yang ini kan based on what you hear. You will write about what you hear. Yang tadi, hi, hello. So you have to write about what you hear in this paper. Ya. Oke, Miss Farha will repeat ya. Nah, jadi nih in bahasa, maaf ya, ini kan ada watch the video, write any words you see, hear, or think about. Nah, nanti tadi udah Kak Farha jelasin ya, kalau misalkan nanti bakal diputar video dan teman-teman bisa nulis ya tentang apa yang tadi diucapkan di video. Ya, kayak misalkan tadi assalamualaikum, hi, hello, just write about it in this paper. Oke? Aisyah, do you understand what I mean? Oke, Misha? Oke, Abdu, Emi, Priyanka, lihat ya, masih di print. Syakila? Oke, jadi Miss Farha will repeat that ya. Oke, so you have to pay attention ya, about what you hear. Okay, it's done. Write any words that you hear.
Hello.
Okay. Apa lagi? What else?
Hi. Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Gitu ya. Terus, and then assalamualaikum. Tadi, okay, write about what you hear. Syakila, apa aja yang dengar? What words that you heard about that? Okay, udah langsung tulis. Langsung tulis. Anything that you hear about that? Ayo, Aisyah. Ya? Dingin? Oke, wait. Oh ya, bentar, pakai pulpen sekarang. Ini ya, oke ya. Oke, anyone need pencil or pulpen? Pulpen, oke. Misalnya will provide it. Write anything ya. Ayo, Abdu. Tulis di sini. Right, this. Oke, tadi Abdu bilangnya apa? Hi, hello, like that kan? Seperti itu kan ya, tulis. Yang tadi sudah didengarkan. Hi.
You-nya gimana?
You.
You.
Like that. You. Oke. Hi, hello. Tadi ada apa lagi? What's happening? Ya kan? And then, how are you doing? Oke. Aisyah memorize. But actually in KBM case we usually use TV, but there is no signal. We don't have to use the TV. We cannot use the TV case.
How are you?
Yeah, how are you doing? Good job. Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Iya, assalamualaikum. Halo. Or Priyanka, you may use this paper first. Because the print is still new. Oh, beta.
Kayaknya rusak ini dulu ya, biar dia nanti dikasih.
Okay, hi, hello, how are you? Okay, are you done? Okay, hello, hi. Yes, di sini hi juga. Hi. Hi, okay. And then, hello, hi. How are you? How? Good job, very good job. Give applause to Amy, anyone? Yay! Okay, so after Amy, who wants to read your answer? Okay, Aisyah, good job. Who? You? Hello? What's happening? Good job. How are you? Yes, good job, Aisyah. And then what else? Misha wants to read your answer? Okay, you may. Okay, good job. Okay, so Miss Farah want to Shakila read about your answer. Okay, good job. Priyanka, have you done reading? Okay, Abdul, you may cite what you write it. Coba ngomong ke belakang. Hi. And then, hello. How are you? Good job. Okay. The last one is Priyanka. We wait for the Priyanka. Okay, good job everyone ya. Okay, listeningnya is very good. We wait for Priyanka. Okay, you may talk about your answer. Okay, good job, Priyanka. Oh no, thank you. It's okay. Okay, good job everyone. Okay, so from this one, any questions so far? No one ya? Because this is so easy, guys. Okay, so the next activity, see in the second. Okay, who are they? Look in the second activity. Yeah. Okay, what do you think about this character? Kira-kira siapa? Sini. There is Amelia, Edith, and also Intan, Otis, and Kevin. Good job. Okay. So these guys actually characters will accompany you while studying. Jadi karakter ini yang bakal nemenin teman-teman belajar di buku runner. Ya. Nanti ada misalkan si Edith, or misalkan si Intan or Emilia, like that. Okay? Yeah, it's just a fact. Kak, yang ini bisa share screen nggak? Udah mulai ini aja sih activity aja. Kayak nggak butuh wifi, karena butuh cahaya, butuh visualisasi banget. Okay, so this is the Emilia, Edith, Intan, Otis, and Okay. Actually, Miss Farha will present about what is Amelia and who is Adit, who is Intan, and who is Otis. Okay. Okay. Characters in runner class. Okay. From the first one, we have Amelia. In your left, Amelia. Yeah. Okay. She is 12 years old. And then she likes video games and cartoons, and she's also introverted character. Do you know what is the meaning of introverted? Apa? What do you mean?
Sukanya di rumah, nggak suka pergi berdiam.
Oke, di rumah. Sebenarnya dia tidak pergi. How about extrovert?
Senang ketemu orang.
Senang ketemu orang. Oke. Enjoy. Oh, sorry. You are being an extrovert. Okay, good job. Okay, and the next is Edith. Yeah, he is 10 years old, and also he is animal and nature lover, and also has a cat called cat. Okay, and then Intan. Yeah, guys. Oops. Yeah, she is 12 years old, and she is Emily's friend from school. And she is enjoying food and cooking. Ya, tadi jadi ada siapa aja? Amelia. And the first screen apa? Edit ya. Edit ya. Oke, edit. It's okay. Yeah, and then we have Otis. Otis he is 8 years old and he is Amelia's and Adit's cousin. Sporty and also active. She's being like Amy. Very extrovert. Okay, and the last one is a pet. Yeah, Kevin. Yeah, it is owned by Edith. Jadi punyanya si Edith ini ya, kucingnya bernama Kevin. Yeah, friendly but independent. Yeah. Okay, so that is the characters that you will get in runner books. Okay, guys. Actually, this is like the knowledge, yeah, for the character. And then we go to the listening task. Yeah, we go to listening. Listening kayaknya kurang gede ya teman-teman ya suaranya ya. Kurang besar nggak suaranya? Pas. Yang belakang suaranya kedengeran nggak? Kalau Miss Farha setel musiknya dari sini kedengeran nggak sampai belakang? Dan kan nggak begitu kedengeran ya, Sakila nggak begitu kedengeran. Biasanya kalau kita pakai TV di atas besar ya suaranya. Oke. So Miss Farha will play the listening class. Kedengeran nggak sampai belakang? Okay, because this is the listening, so you have to focus about the listening one. Okay, coba ya, Miss Farha. We'll try it first. Oke, kira-kira kekecilan nggak segitu? Oke, Pila, Misha, Aisyah, Abdu. Oke, kekecilan nggak? Priyanka? Oke. Coba ya, berarti fokus. You can go to the number 3. Listeningnya, who says? Oke. Audio A, audio B, audio C, and audio D. Oke, pay attention, guys. guys want to repeat? Okay, actually you know the answer. Siapa kira-kira? Oke, wait ya. Okay, listen who says it. Okay, the first one audio A. Who's that, guys?
Adit.
Adit, good job. Yeah. Okay, who got the correct answer? Amy, correct. Priyanka, you answer Adit or not? Okay, Sakila. Okay,
Ini masuk.
langsung jadi audio A. Ya, di bawah itu I edit. Ya, udah, upload. Nah ini di sini audio A, tulisnya edit di bawah sini. Jadi upload nulisnya edit. Sini, edit. Edit. Iya di sini tulisnya. Iya bebas di bawahnya aja, karena kan ini audio A. So you have to use the name audio A ini siapa yang ngomong. Jadi edit, bisa jadi edit. Oke?
Di bawah sih.
Iya. Oke, guys. So, who is the audio B? Me, Lia. Good job. Okay. So, who is the audio C? Okay. You remember? Intan. Good job. And how about the last one? Otis. Kevin kan kan? Emi? Otis ya, Otis. Good job. Berarti so Miss Farha will repeat. The first one is Adit. The second for the audio B is Emilia, and audio C is for the Intan, and also audio D is for Otis. Okay. Who got all correct? Aisyah? Oh, Shakila? Good job. Priyanka? Correct? Abdul? Yang tersini Adit, di sini Emilia. Emilia.
Emil aja ya kak.
Emilia. Okay. And then Intan. And then Otis. Okay. Sit. Udah. Oke, lihat ya. Oke, so udah. Oke. Sip. Oke, reading time ya, guys ya. Actually, we have to go to the next session, which is reading time. Okay? So, anyone who wants to read? Who wants to read? Oh, Aisyah, good job. Okay. Okay, wait, Aisyah. Okay, can you see that? Okay. Or in your book, it's okay. Okay. Good job. And then Intan. Oh, good job, Aisyah. You're so brave. Okay. Hi, I'm Edith. I'm 10 years old and I live in Jakarta. I love animals and I have a pet cat named Candy. Okay, so the question is, how old is Edith? 7 years old. Okay, good job. Like that ya, reading time. Okay, so easy. Okay. done, 2, 3 is done, 4, and okay. In fourth activity, yeah. How old is she? Just write 10 years old. Yes. Just change 10 years old. 10 years old. I'm sorry, man. What do you mean? 10 years old. Right. 10 years old. Okay, Shakila. Just write. 10 years old. Okay. Okay. Oh, di sini. 10 years old. Okay. Done, guys. Okay. 10 years old. Okay. Can I help you? Okay. 10 years old. This is 10. Okay. Years old. Years old. Years old. Okay. Okay. Sit. Okay. From this one, anyone wants to ask me a question? Amy? Oh, teman-teman. Okay. Will accompany with Miss Jen ya.
Come on, Emmy.
Awas jatuh.
Sendalnya.
Sendalnya awas. Hati ya. Okay, so can we go to the 5 activity, anyone? So the 5 activity you have to fill in the blank. Yeah, you have to fill in the blank. Yeah. So from the audio like that, so I will repeat the audio. So you have to fill in the blank for the activity 5. Okay? So you have to be focused, yeah, about what you gonna hear. Okay, listen, complete activity 5. Jadi yang di activity 5 teman-teman bisa langsung kerjain ya. Nah, ini kan ada A, B, C. Nah, Miss Farha will play the audio. Will play the audio and you guys have to listen about what the audio playing. Ya. Okay, I will. Okay, anyone is ready? Ready guys?
Ready.
Okay, pay attention ya. Okay. Fokus. Okay. Can I repeat for one time? Anyone? Okay. Iya ditulis. Tadi Emmy lagi lagi keluar soalnya. Jadi yang activity 5 you have to complete the fill in the blank. Ya, jadi kan nanti Miss Farha repeat nih, repeat playing videonya, playing listeningnya. Jadi teman-teman harus mengikuti apa yang dikatakan dari video dan ditulis. Gitu. Anyone? Ada yang mau ditanyain nggak? Paham nggak? Nggak kedengeran ya? Bentar ya. Bentar, ini udah.
I'm 10 years old and I live in Jakarta.
Fokus ya.
I love animals and I have a pet cat called Kevin.
Hello, my name is Julia. I'm living in Jakarta with my brother Adit. I am 12 years old, so I'm the oldest. I love video games and cartoons. Hi there, I'm Eva, Amelia and Adit's neighbor and school friend. I'm 12, like Amelia. I love cooking and eating. When I'm older, I want to be a chef.
Oke, keren kan? Okay, are you done guys? Check it out. Okay, Miss Farha will play it again ya. One more time. Okay, Priyanka, are you done? Nggak kedengeran ya? Bahasanya kurang jelas. Oke, it's okay. Nggak apa-apa. Nanti kita bahas bareng-bareng. Ya. I will repeat again ya guys, so you have to be focused. Oke, nanti.
Hello, my name is Amelia. I'm living in Jakarta with my brother Adit. I am 12 years old, so I'm the oldest. I love video games and cartoons. Hi there, I'm Eva, Amelia and Adit's neighbor and school friend. I'm 12, like Amelia. I love cooking and eating. When I'm older, I want to be a chef.
Yeah, I'm Orange. Adit and Amelia are my cousins. I spend lots of time with them, playing games and sports. But my favorite is Kevin.
Okay guys, are you finished it ya? Hekla, are you done? Priyanka, are you done? A little, not done. Okay, Amy, how about you? Bingung baca apa? Okay, Abdul, how about you, Abdul? Can I help you? Not yet. Okay, Misha. Oh, Misha juga udah nulis, tapi nggak apa. Okay, how about Aisyah? Okay, tulisannya, it's okay. Okay, anyone who already answer want to share your answer to us? Siapa yang udah isi? Mau nggak kira-kira sharing dengan kita apa sih jawabannya? Maybe tadi you said that you cannot use the writing because you don't understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Gimana? Tulisannya? Oh, tulisan share gini. CHP. Share.
Kalau kasu gimana?
Thousand. Oh, there. COSIN. Thousand. That's meaning in bahasa sepupu. Oke, nanti kita ini ya, dulu ya. Oke. Okay, yuk, anyone who already answered may, wait, oh in screen is like that. Okay, from the first one. Hello, my name is Emilia. I live in Jakarta with my brother Edith. Okay, I am 12 years old, so I'm the oldest. Okay, so what is the answer for this one? Shakila? I love video games. Anyone? Selain kata video games apa?
Video kartun.
Cartoons and what? Video games, cartoon. Already done? Video games and cartoon. Yes, betul. Ya, for the number one, correct ya. Oh wait. This one I will take it. Okay. For the first number, tadi betul yang dikatakan Shakila. Video games and cartoons. Good job, Shakila. And the answer. Video games and cartoons. Oke, spellingnya udah bener belum? video games and cartoons. Video games and cartoons. Bener? Aisyah? Aisyah? Udah? Abdul? Ya udah, tulis aja deh. Video games. Ya ini di-erase dulu, dihapus dulu. Ya. Oke. Yang number 2. Ya. Oke, who wants to read number B? Oke, yuk Emi.
Hi there, I am Intan.
Oke.
Emilia and Anis, neighbor and school friend. I am
12, like.
12, like
Okay, you know what is about your answer? Read about that.
Emilia.
Good job. And
I like cooking and eating. When I am older, I want to be
what is that?
tulis.
Oke, tadi yang ditanyakan. Oke, Priyanka. You may read from the sentence from the first beginning. Hi. Okay. Well, good job. Right. Okay. Okay, very good. Good job. Betul ya. Hi there, I'm Intan, Emilia, and Adit's neighbor and school friend. I'm 12 like Emilia. I love cooking and eating. When I'm older, I want to be a chef. Good job. Okay. So there are video games, cartoons, Emilia, and also Sam. Okay, so we go to the last number. Okay, who wants to read the last number? Okay, Aisyah, with you. Yep. You. Good job. The favorite is Kevin. Okay, ready? The answer is cousins, and the last one is Kevin. Good job, cousins. Cousins. Oke. Terus Kevin. Gitu ya. That's all the answers. Who got all correct? Who got all correct? Raise your hand. Kila, Aisyah, Ani,
Aditya is called no.
Kevin.
Kevin.
Kevin. Okay.
Kevin.
We have 10 minutes left. Okay. Okay, but actually I want you guys to work in pairs. Yeah. You may want to work in pairs about the speaking task. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So Miss Farha will divide you in 3 pairs. Yeah. So you have to cooperate with your pairs. Jadi Miss Farha mau teman-teman kerjasamanya tuh berpasangan 2 orang. Okay? And you will be present to this in front of the class about introducing yourself. Okay? Jadi satu kelompok isinya 2 orang berpasangan, work in pairs. Okay? It is about yourself. Like misalkan, for example, hello everyone, my name is Farha. I am, ini just example ya, I am 17 years old. Ya, misalkan I study at Al Azhar School Jakarta. Ya, terus my hobby is like misalkan is singing or writing. Nah, and the student B will also ask kayak, do you have brother or sister, or what is your favorite hobby, like that. Oke, jadi work in pairs. Oke, anyone? Paham nggak? Dari student A and student B. Mau Miss Farha yang kelompokin atau kalian pilih sendiri? Pilih sendiri atau dikelompokin? Sendiri? Maksudnya pilih sendiri aja. Oke, apa? You say like number. Kayak misalkan ganjil, genap. Kayak misalkan Aisyah count the number 1, 2, ya 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or being like that. Kayak gitu aja. Gimana? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or being like that. Diganti 1 sama 1, 2 sama 2, 3 sama 3. Itu aja ya. Oke, count the number. Start from Aisyah. 1, say. Oke. 1, 3, oke. Who got the number 1? 1 siapa? Tadi kamu sama Amy. Amy and also Aisyah will collaborate. Ya. And then number 2 sama Priyanka. Berarti Syakila sama Abdul. Oke, work in pairs guys. Yuk, boleh penting dulu. Gimana enaknya? Yuk. Tadi nomor 1. Kamu 1 kan? 1. Oke, speaking activity, introducing about yourself. Oke, yuk. Yuk, speaking task. Ini, yaudah Misha di sini. Misha di sini. Oke. Misha, tadi pasangannya Priyanka ya? Enggak, Priyanka sini. Aisyah di situ. Nanti Abdu bisa ke belakang nanti sama Syakila. Bentar ya. This is for the last activity for the speaking task. Oke. Ini sini, kamu sini. Nah, kolaborasi. Nah, Syakila sama Abdu. Ya. Syakila sama Abdu. Ini gimana ya? Oh, Syakila ke kanan. Ya, nah, Abdu sini. Jadi kolaborasi agak ke bawah. Ya, bangkunya di dulu di bawah. Ya, awas. Di dulu. Oh, pelan-pelan. Oke. Nah, on the speaking task. And after that, you have to present in front of the class. Hello. My name is Farha. Yeah. And okay, coba pay attention to this whiteboard like that. Hello, my name is Farha. I am 70 years old. I study at Al-Azhar School Jakarta and my hobby is drawing. Itu untuk yang student A. Ya. Nanti student B tanya. Student B. Oke, aman. Nah. Like that. Tanyanya boleh seputar apa aja tentang si teman tersebut, ya. Okay, so I will give you an example. Yeah, for the student A, like, hello, my name is Farha. I am 17 years old. I study at Al-Azhar School Jakarta and my hobby is drawing. Okay, nanti student B-nya will ask, akan tanya, what is your favorite food? Okay, student A-nya will give the answer, and also dia boleh nanya juga, do you have brother or sister? Misalkan, do you have many cousins, like that. Jadi pertanyaannya terserah apa aja. Jadi tetap ada introduction to ourselves, ya teman-teman ya. Do you understand what I mean? Amy, Aisyah, ya. Jadi tulis dulu pertama, tulis dulu introduction yourself. Hello, brother. Ya. Jadi dari nama, umur, sekolah, sama hobi aja. Ya, boleh. Like Miss Farha boleh. Ininya tapi diganti ya namanya sama kalian. Nah, umur. Nah. Jadi pertama-tama buat dulu perkenalan ya semuanya. Nanti untuk pertanyaannya bebas. Teman-teman boleh tanya sama pasangan kalian, pasangan grup kalian, apa aja. Harus banget ya. Oh, ya udah. Sebenarnya udah bakal tapi masih belum. Mereka lagi buat itu. Speaking. Nanti the questionnya is up to you ya. Boleh nanya random, misalkan kayak do you have pet? Nanti student A-nya yes I have. Pokoknya student B-nya boleh tanya apa aja. Nanti tinggal gantian, tinggal di switch. Tulis dulu ya. 17 years old. Okay, everyone is done? Sudah? Kilas sudah? Abdu? Okay, yuk. Hello, my name is Abdu. Okay, titik. Terus I am Abdu. Umurnya berapa? Okay, I am 7 years old. Write this. Okay, are you done? Okay, I am 7 years old. Sudah, okay. 7 years old. Years old. Not yet. Years old. Years old. S. Oh. Okay, oh, okay, and then I study at. I study. Okay, sini. I study. Di mana? Aku sekolahnya. Dia udah tulis Al. Ya. Okay. Everyone is done? Okay. Who wants to present it first in front of the class? Amy? Amy and Aisyah wants to go first? Okay, yo, give applause everyone. Okay, yuk, maju. Woo! Okay, student A and student B. Okay. Okay. No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, who want to go first? Amy or Aisyah? Amy, okay, yuk.
Hello, my name is Amy. I am 10 years old. I study at SMS. My hobby is singing.
Oh, good job, cool. Okay, Aisyah, do you want to ask something to Amy? Oh no, you don't want to ask some question. Okay, so you may. Rick. Okay. Oh, playing games. Okay, give applause everyone. Okay, good job. You may sit down. Good job. Okay, who else? Who wants to present? Okay, Nisha and also Priyanka. Okay, go. Give applause everyone. You. Okay, introduce yourself. Okay, who wants to go first? Priyanka or Nisha? Nisha. Okay, yuk. Read.
Hello, my name is Nisha.
Okay.
I am 9 years old. I study at School Jakarta. My hobby is swimming.
Okay, good job. Okay, Priyanka want ask something to Nisha? Oh, you don't know. Okay, so Priyanka will present you. Okay.
Hello, my name is Priyanka. I'm 10 years old. I study at School Jakarta.
Abdul. Oke, yuk. Woo, fighting. Syakila and Abdul, yuk.
Oh my god, I forget.
Oke, kenapa? What did you forget?
Karena aku juga suka berenang ya.
Oh, your hobby is also swimming. Okay, so I want Shakila to read it first.
Oh, my name is Shakila. I am 10 years old. I study at SDR Robotics School Jakarta. My
Okay.
hobby is cooking.
Cooking, oh, cooking apa? What do you usually cook, Shakila? Miss Farha asks.
Cookies.
Cookies. Oh, so are you good at baking? Oh, good job. Okay, so the last one is Abdul. Yo, Abdul. Selamat Abdul. Fighting. Okay, louder please. And bawah. Hello. Name is Abdul. I am 7 years old. Okay, repeat please. Hello, my name is Abdul. I am 7 years old. Okay, and then what do you study? I study at latihan apa? Itu sekolah kamu di mana? Sekolahnya aku di mana? Okay, so what is your hobby, Abdul? My hobby is apa? Your hobby is jumping, exercising, swimming, playing soccer. Apa? What is your hobby? Swimming. Oh, give applause for Abdul and Shakila. Okay, so you may sit down, please. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so the last activity is karakter ya, guys. Oh, Abdul, Priyanka sama Kila. And then ya, terakhir, habis itu you may go home. Gimana kalian? Scan.
Ini Aisyah, Misha. Sini Misha. Bertiga sama. Tunggu dulu, nanti stop baru start. Teman, bertiga sini. Ayo, bertiga.
Oke, ya. Ayo. Oh, situ. Tas kamu. Bentar. Jatuh. Tiga dulu ya. Okay, so the lab students will be like waiting ya guys.
Oke, ready? Ready, bertiga sini Misha, Misha.
Oke, bisa sini. Kita bantu.
Oke, bertiga sini, come on. Ini. Oke. Lalu Misha sama Aisyah sini. Oke. Oke. Ganti-gantian ya. Oke, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oke, yuk.
Tuh. Mari
Pandangan karakter nih. Siapa tadi? Masih ingat gak namanya? Ayo. Kita select. Tadi ada 4 nama. There are 4 names on the characters. Apa? There are 4 names in the characters.
Bisa dimakan. Diganti.
Oh, mau di ini? Oh, dituruninnya.
Enggak yang
Oh, langsung ituin. Langsung kayak gitu.
Good job.
Good
Sini.
job. Yeah.
Kak,
Repeat lagi ya. 2 minutes left ya. Oke.
It's okay. Otis.
Otis.
Ya berarti kalau nggak ada ya nggak apa-apa. Mungkin menyiring mungkin garisnya bisa jadi nggak lurus terus dari bawah juga bisa. Kalau nggak ada udah submit aja. Submit ya.
Okay, it's okay. Okay. Are you done? Okay, sip. Okay, review ya. Review about what we already learned today. Okay, so guys, Miss Farha wants to review about what we learned today. Apa aja yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Kira-kira apa aja yang sudah kita pelajari? Anyone? The first is greetings. Greetings. We already learned about the greetings. Okay, example greetings like what? Hi, hello, and then what's up? Okay, what's happening? And then how are you doing? Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, it's a pleasure to meet you. Good job, Emmy. Okay, and after we learn about greetings, okay, what's next? We also learn about the characters. Yeah, the characters consist of first is Otis, and then Emmy, Lee, yeah, Kevin, Intan,
Otis.
and Edith. Yeah, so there are 5 characters. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Okay, so Misha and also Almira. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Ya, jadi today we also learn about the characters and greetings and also introduction to ourselves. Ya, tadi ya teman-teman udah maju untuk speaking task, introduction to ourselves. Ya. Okay. So until this one, do you guys have any questions before Miss Farah close the class?
Itu Almira.
Almira, Shakila. Shakila. Okay. So that's all for today ya, everyone ya. Miss Farha will close the class. Thank you for today and thank you for participating. Okay, dadah. Do you guys enjoy about what we learned? Okay, thank you so much. Dadah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye everyone.
Don't forget to join our class next week.
Okay.
Goodbye, Mila. Thank you.
Okay, bawa, bawa aja, bawa. 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 Okay, thank you. See you next week ya. Oh iya, aduh. Oh, sampai jadi ketinggalan. See you next week. Thank you.
Tas geprek.
Emang with your mommy or
Goodbye.
iya di bawah buat bapak
Next
dulu.
week. Iya.
Aduh, nanti pokoknya kalau kesulitan tanya Miss Farha ya.
Iya, kalau nggak
Bye-bye.
tanya.
Bye bye. Thank you Emmy. High five. High five Miss Farha. Oke, thank you. Ini minum siapa? Si Emmy. Si Emmy tadi biar nggak udah. Ini. Nanti ini kalau nggak muat taruh di depan aja. Sama mama. Oke, taruh di depan. Ini di bawah ya. Jangan sampai ketinggalan. Besok kita belajar lagi. Oke. Ya, thank you guys.